Today in the garage at the Indian Motorcycle Product Development Center, we're talking about wind deflectors. Dan, anybody who's ridden a motorcycle on the highway without a fairing knows absolutely it's harder to hold on to. You have to grip tighter, it's a little more work. What can you tell us about these that makes them unique?
This particular shield and the low is radiused to really get the air around your torso. You'll see there's a flare on top that also wants to flip the air over your head so it doesn't hit you right in the eyes. So it's not just about what your face feels, it's about what your torso feels and what your arms feel when you're riding 75 miles an hour down the highway for 100 miles. So this alleviates almost all of that.
You've got something a little more sporty, a little bit smaller. It still does the same thing for you. It helps you a little bit, helps you relieve some of that, takes some of the wind off your body.
Everybody likes blacked out windshields, right? They look just mean and they look bad. So we can make that one a little bit darker because it doesn't affect any of your vision sights, right? So when we get a little bit taller, you actually can see through this a little bit. So we have to make this a little bit lighter.
Very cool. As far as installation goes, is this something that's easy? Anybody can put this on?
Installation is probably about 5 minutes. If you want to pop it off, it's probably more like 2 minutes.
That's great.
It's really quick.
If I'm bombing around town, it'd be cool to be able to just take this off. You ride the Scout the way it is. If you're looking at getting on the highway, putting some extra miles on, give yourself a little bit of wind protection, make your ride a little bit better. This is great.
You made it back, Joe.
This windscreen, it makes the highway ride so much more enjoyable on this bike.
Yeah, and that was the whole goal, right? Is get the wind around you and lose that arm pump and just make the ride more comfortable and a little bit more quiet as well.
I'd already spent some time with the lower wind deflector.
Yep.
This just adds to the experience. It cuts the wind even more. And for long distance highway rides, I don't think I want to ride my bobber without it. It's not obnoxious, it's not big, it's not bulky, it's really light. I don't feel it in the handlebars at all. It doesn't push you around. It's really nice.
Yep, even when you turn the bars, you don't even feel it there.
Not at all.
Yep.